Good morning, everyone. This is Amy Raymond. For those of you who don't know me, I am a director on our team here, Living the Pampered Life, and I do the Tech Tip Thursdays. So Tech Tip Thursday this week comes in two pieces, so it might be Tech Tip Wednesday and then Tech Tip Thursday, but that's okay. So I'm going to show our newer consultants how to create a recipe group in another training video, but this video I just want to show you how to rename your URL to your group. I know I've gotten a lot of questions about this, and some of you know how to do it and some of you don't. This is a great way to get your link to match the name of your group. So when I tell people to join my recipe group, it's really easy. I say, don't worry, just come join my recipe group. It's at www.facebook.com/groups/eatlovepc. And that's the name of my group, so it's easier to remember. It's easier on me, and it's also easier on some customers. Not everyone's going to remember it just because I renamed it this way, but I will take anything that helps my information stick with even one person. So I'm in my group right here. You can see Eat Love PC. It's a closed group. I've got all my members and everything. I'm going to click on More right here under my picture, and I'm going to go to Edit Group Settings. And when I go here, you can see my description where I can change that up or add new things. And I'm going to keep scrolling, and you can see web and email address. See how I've got my web address right here, www.facebook.com groups Eat Love PC. Yours right now, if you haven't changed it yet, has just random letters and numbers instead of the name of your group. All you have to do, you guys, is this easy, is just change address. Click that button and type in whatever you want your alias to be. Okay, super easy. So all I did was type in Eat Love PC. I clicked on Customize Address, and now that's the address to my group that I share instead of a random URL with random letters and numbers. I hope that tip helps you guys. It's super easy to do, takes less than 5 minutes. Let me know if you have any problems with it or if you thought it was easy too. Talk to you later.